In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone call volume that is low for your iPhone 12 device. And this will also work for all iPhone 12 models, including the Pros, the Maxes, the Minis, and also the standard iPhone 12 as well. So let's just dive straight in. Now there's actually 3 different fixes that we can try for this particular issue. And the first one is super obvious, but this is one that I kind of fall for all the time. And that's just to ensure that the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone are kind of set to a volume that you like. Now, for whatever reason, if that still isn't working, I'll go and show you the next fix, which I think will most likely be the culprit for this issue. Now, this can be found in the Settings app. Now, if I scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, as you can see here, we now have another volume control within the iPhone. Now, this is actually a separate control slider for the volume, specifically for ringtones and alerts. And if this is set to low, maybe came out of the box, or maybe later on it was set to low, this will be why your iPhone calls are coming in at a very low volume. As these volume buttons on the side are actually for kind of like videos and music, while these are for alerts. Now, if you just want to kind of turn that up to a desired volume, you can do so there. And also, if you're looking to sync up your volume buttons on the side with your ringtone and alerts, so this means that your buttons will control the video sound, music sound, and also your ringtone, you can simply turn that on by toggling on Change with Buttons. So now when I change the buttons, this will also change the ringtone and sound alerts as well. Now, for whatever reason, if this still isn't working on your iPhone 12, there's one last thing that you can do, and that's to go back to the settings, come down to Face ID and passcode. I'll put in my passcode, and then I can come down to attention aware features. So if you're encountering the issue on your iPhone 12 where someone calls you, it's initially quite loud, and then you look at the phone to maybe see who it is, or you glance at the phone, then the volume kind of will go right down. That's because of this particular feature here. It's just one of those kind of quirky Apple features. So if you're looking to turn that off, you can just disable that. And that means now that whenever you get a phone call, the volume will stay at the same level, whether or not you look at the phone. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 really quick and easy ways on how you can fix the low call volume issue on the iPhone 12. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.